Hi everyone, thank you very much for watching my video and for subscribing to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please click the subscribe button. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change the engine air filter for the VW Beetle. This is my wife VW Beetle. It's a 2013 2.0 liter turbo, and it's really easy. I know many of you ladies own this car, and you don't have to ask your boyfriends or your husband or even mechanic to do this. It's really easy job. You know, even if you guys have girlfriends or have wife who own this car, you can do this service for her. You can tell your wife and your girlfriend, look, I can do this service for life. So I can teach you how to do it today. It's very easy and it's really fast. What you need to do, oh, by the way, this is the part number. It's a Mann-Filter. You can buy it from Amazon. I'm gonna put the link in the bottom of the description. So it's a Mann-Filter C51541. Mann-Filter C51541. So you can get it from Amazon. So it's really easy to do this. What you need to do, the latch for the engine hood is right here. So you just pull it back like that, and then you're gonna bring this. Okay, this is really tricky. What you want to do, there is a lever right here. Can you show them, Brenna, down a bit? There is a lever. You want to move it to the right like this, like that. Then it's unlock it. Then you lift it up and then put it there, so this thing won't come down on your head. So I bought, and then what you need, these are the only tools that you need. You only need one screwdriver, the star bit screwdriver. So what you want to do, just get one of this. That's a T25. So here we go. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 screws that you need to remove. So I'm just gonna start removing it. Oh, make sure don't let the screw fall to the engine bay, because it's gonna go to the oblivion, to the abyss. It's really hard to find if you drop it. You want to make sure you don't drop any screws, because it's really hard to retrieve falling screws. Yeah, you can do this yourself. The screw is really long, so just be patient. See, I just dropped one. Good thing it's not that far. So what you want to do, this is really good. Look at this. You can put the screw right there in that hole. There's like a screw holder, so you won't lose it. Yeah, put your finger right here and make sure you focus. There you go. Yeah, it's really fast to do this. Just have to make sure you guard the screw when you do it. Yeah, VW put so many screws. My Jaguar is a lot easier because it has clamps. Yeah. So yeah, just be patient. Just remove all the screws. The hardest one is this one here in the back, and the screws are very long, which is very annoying. There you go. So you can just remove this engine cover, put it aside, gives you more space to work. I have the Can filter in this. The thing about the Can filter, you have to be careful. Right now the Can filter is really dirty. I have to wash it with a Can filter cleaner and oil it. The thing about Can filter is it's an oil-based air filter, and if you put too much oil on the Can filter, the oil actually can go through your mass flow air sensor and burn it and break your mass airflow sensor, so you have to be really careful. Really, the best filter is this paper filter. It's cheap, and once it's dirty, you just throw it away and put a new one. With the K&N, you know, you have to wash it, and then you have to make sure it's dry. Then you have to oil it again. It's a yeah, and then it takes a while to dry it. You have to make sure it's dry properly. And it's $79. I mean, it's really up to you. So you can use the K&N filter or the Mann-Filter for this engine air filter. So this is gonna be 2 more screws left. Yeah, make sure guard it with your finger. There you go. Now we just have to move it up. Hey, now we can see the K&N air filter. Just pull it out like that. So I need to clean this one and re-oil it. Yeah, this is how the K&N filter look like. And look, I'll show you the difference between the K&N and the paper. The paper is actually larger, and you just have to remove this thing covering. It's crazy. So this is the difference. There you go. It's okay. This just leave that one there. You don't have to. You can just remove all this stuff. That's the thing about the paper. This thing got stuck. Oh, actually, there is. Then it should be okay. You won't go through the engine, believe me, though. So you just want to swap this one. Just lift it up. Don't worry, you won't break anything. Just have to press it, and there you go. Now once you're done, just put the screw back like that, and I'll be back. Everyone, I'm back. So anyway, now we put all the screws back. Make sure you have 8 screws back, you know, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, you know, and then everything's back. So now it should be good. So this is the part number again. It's a Mann-Filter C 1541. So anyway, I'll put everything in the description. Oh, don't forget to close your hood. And make sure this thing latch and close the hood. And that's it. So anyway, thank you very much for watching my video again and for subscribing to my YouTube channel. We need your support, so give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Love you guys.